Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. 10 things I absolutely love about Builderall. These are the tools that you didn't know you needed, and it's so easy to use. Okay, I'm inside the back office, right? And I'm just going to show you a selection of what we can get in here. Okay, this is inside the back office. This is where you can install any tools that you want to use more and more. So the first one is the Pixel Perfect Builder, which is this one. Now you can make, drag and drop and change the photos on any specific topic that you can think of. So all you need to do is, if you want to go to local businesses, hairdressers, chiropractors, physiotherapists, and ask them if they need a funnel, a website doing, you can actually do any subject on the planet, even restaurants. So there's a couple of health and beauty ones, music, fashion, daycare, entertainment. You can do landing pages. Okay, that's number one. You might have actually done the capture page training already, but the capture pages and email, the capture pages are all in this system. Look, landing pages. Right, what else do I want to show you? Not that one yet. I want to show you Canva. Where's Canva? Here's Canva. Right, add a funnel. I'm going to put it die and put die again. Now Canva is, okay, if you don't know what a funnel is, it's if you've got a free gift and you want to give it out and in return for the email. Okay, so the easiest one is this one here. So let's see if you can select that one. Right, there's lots of different themes that you can choose. I think I like, say, have a look at this one. So all you need is get this free gift here. You put it on the email, and there's a thank you page. Thank you for subscribing to my list. Then you create the website, and it ends up inside the Pixel Perfect. So if you go to my sites, whatever you can, I obviously haven't pressed the button, but if you click on my sites and it's called die, it would end up at the very top on the left hand side. So it would come up there. Then you just open it up and edit it and put in anything you like, whatever you're promoting. Drag and drop, put your own words in, easy peasy. So we've gone over websites and landing pages and Canvas. Obviously, Mailing Boss is in there, the email system, which you might or might not know about, which is that one there. So you can do email blasts, email sequences, put your lists in, anything you can do on any other autoresponder. You can actually tag them. You can put tags on the link, so have they open the link. Very technical stuff, but that's advanced, so I'm not going to confuse you. I'm just going to give you a general overview. So the next one I wanted to show you is this one, because I love this one. Seriously, I love this one. For instance, if you wanted to make one of those magazines that turns the pages, look at this. I love these. Hang on, I'm going to move myself out of the way. Isn't this exciting? You can put your own words, your own pictures in, and look, it turns the page for you. It's so cool. I mean, you obviously have to put a lot of pictures, and less words because it's more visual. I've always wanted to be able to do that. I've got a new toy, guys. Okay, so I've done that one. So let's just, okay, this one's brilliant. If you want a computer thing, right, this is quite good. I've actually tried one of these out. If you've got a photo and you want it, or you want to do a Facebook group page. I've done one of these on a Facebook group page, but I don't really know which one it is. So, for instance, if you wanted a his and hers photo, you can put his and hers photos in there, and then you can put it on the internet as, I don't know, it could be your profile, couldn't it? If you're Mr. and Mrs. Smith, you can put Mr. and Mrs. Smith in there, couldn't you? Whatever you like, you can just put a photo in a computer, in a billboard, anything you like. So I quite like that one. I've already used that one, so we'll get rid of that one. What else have we done? So we've done that one, and then we've done that one. So there's an e-commerce, which, come on guys, Shopify, if you've ever tried that, is $25 a month, is it, or whatever it is. This is $70 and you get all this. I'm like a little kid at Christmas Day because I can't get enough of all these. Because Facebook auto post, if you've got a page on Facebook, I want to do all the automatic messages. It takes you 3 minutes or whatever. You put the post on, put the word, ask for the word info, put the word info in your auto poster, in your chatbot, and then you can send them a message while you're whistling. I love that one. Sorry, I got confused there. The chatbot is, you can do sequences. You can do complicated sequences, you can do simple sequences, but a sequence is, say, 5 messages in a row with different answers, and you can send them somewhere else. The auto poster is where they post on Facebook, on the Facebook fan page. It's got a WordPress site builder in there. Come on, guys, it's got oh, I've got social proof. It's got social proof. So if you go on your website and it says so and so's just bought this and so and so's just bought that, and the sitebot is when you've got a website and there's a chatbot at the bottom right, bottom left, and there's a text, and it's asking you questions just like on Facebook Messenger. But it's on your actual website. There is so much in here, guys. That's just the tip of the iceberg. I don't want to confuse you too much, but this is amazing. Now, as well, I wanted to show you the trainings, which is this it? Yes. If you want to build a website, funnel, you can build checkouts now, which is instead of a PayPal button, you can put a checkout page instead. So anything that you want to learn, it's all there. And if you want more details, look at this. The great James Neville Taylor. He's telling us about membership areas. Shelley from Builderall, how to sell physical products, webinars, YouTube, Facebook, Fiverr, because a lot of these, the little mock-up studio, you could put a little photo on a computer and sell it on Fiverr, and you can get a Fiverr for your efforts. So this is such an amazing platform. Chatbots, mailing bots, sales funnels, becoming an affiliate. That's probably a really good one, because they're little snippets. So this is such an amazing thing. if you like technology, guys, and you just like having a play, this is for you because it's really easy. Even I can do it. So let's recap. Websites, Canvas, that's you know, if you want to do upsells and downsells and everything else sells, you can do that. You can do emails. There's the e-magazine, I've got a list here. E-commerce, mockup studio. If you go to my Facebook group, I've got one. The cover photo of my Facebook group was done on this. Chatbots, easy peasy. I've already done a couple of trainings on that one. Auto post, dead easy. Put a post. You can schedule your posts on Facebook for the next month on your Facebook fan page. Cool stuff. This is cool, dude. Social proof on your websites, and you can have a chatbot on your website. This is the tip of the iceberg. I haven't even mentioned the videos and the animated videos. And you can actually put links on your YouTube videos now. Come on, guys. I love this one. I love this program so much. That's why I am so passionate about sharing it with you, because I want to help you automate your business, whether it be with a chatbot, with the social proof. One of them, you can actually stop them from going from your page unless they've liked it. This is amazing. This is so amazing. It's like Christmas all in one. So guys, what are you waiting for? Click the button below. Get your 7-day trial or buy now, because when you buy now, I've got some trainings already set up for you. I've got funnels that I can give you. What else? I'll do trainings once a week. I've got trainings that I've already done. I've got a 5-day challenge coming up. It's just amazing. So you know what you got to do, guys. Click the link below and try it out. It's going to change your life, because you're going to automate so much of your business. So can you imagine just messaging everybody that answers a post? I mean, the last post I got on my profile was, I think it was over 100 likes and about 60 comments. So guys, this is the Queen of Teaser Post signing off. Just have a great rest of the day wherever you live, and thanks for watching. And if you want to subscribe and get the notifications every time I send a video out, because I've got some good ones coming up, because you know how I like to find weird and wacky stuff for you, like how to make money drawing a squiggly line, how to make money watching videos at $30 an hour. I've got some more of those coming up, guys, this week. So watch this space, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.